With summer on the way, it's time to get ready, Queensland. I'm here to share a few tips on how you can prepare for the impacts of severe storms, cyclones, floods and bushfires, and be prepared for a lengthy time without power. So let's take a look at some of the things that you can have in your emergency kit for your household to be ready for a week without power. At night, you'll need a light. So have torches handy, and before severe weather hits, don't forget, charge your mobile phones and all your power banks. You'll need access to emergency information, and your phone and internet services may be down, so you'll need a battery-operated radio to stay in touch. And make sure you've got plenty of fresh batteries. When a cyclone or flood's forecast, don't fill your fridge with fresh food. At the start of summer, make sure you've got plenty of non-perishable dry foods and long-life milk. In some cases when you lose power, you lose water too. So make sure you have enough drinking water and fill up the laundry or bathtub for hand washing and flushing toilets. You can fill your gas bottles so you can cook on the barbie or your portable camp stove. And something a lot of us don't carry around these days is a bit of cash. When the ATMs aren't working, it's always good to have a backup. We're used to fans and air cons in summer, so battery operated fans are handy to keep you cool. So think about what everyone in your household might need, including your fur babies. So go to our website for a full checklist for your emergency kit.